Here at Blue Ridge Overland Gear, we make a bunch of bags that have like very specific purposes, but sometimes you just got something in your truck or on a trip that's big and bulky, and you need a good way to carry and organize it, and that is where the Mule Bag comes into use. It's named the Mule Bag because we see it as kind of a pack mule for everything. So probably one of my favorite uses for the Mule Bag is actually this kit I've got right here. I got this Ignik Fire Can, and it's awesome for when you don't have a lot of time to get a fire going, or maybe a place where you can't have a fire. But I needed a way to keep like all of its accessories and to store it. The Ignik has definitely got some like sharp corners. It's an ammo can after all. So I wanted something tough that kept everything I needed essentially except for fuel in one kit. So keep a long lighter in here to avoid burnt fingertips. I've got the longer hose option from them. And then I've got the Pro model, and it actually fits in here great on its end. So just pull it out, pop the legs out, and I'm good to go. Actually, a friend of the brand is the one that tipped us off to this initially to let us know that the Mule Bag is a great option if you're looking for something for your portable fire pit in this form factor. So another really good use for the Mule Bag is when you want to keep like a kit together, especially if it's a bunch of bulky stuff. For example, I wanted to have a recovery rope and a soft shackle, and it makes it really easy with this double zipper to get this bulky recovery kinetic rope in and out. And then also the small on the end's not just for attaching MOLLE pouches. You can also put things like this soft shackle on the MOLLE, thread it through, and it keeps everything you need easy to grab. We make a couple of stove bags, but those are really for like bigger stoves for cooking for a group, what have you. If you're traveling solo or maybe just one other person, you can actually make a really cool camp kitchen out of a Mule Bag. So let's show you what all this thing holds. So again, double zipper, great access. We've got 2 mugs, coffee requirement, mess kit for 2, fuel source, and it even fits this super handy 2-burner stove. You've got Velcro for extra pouches, ID panels, or even some morale patches up front, laser cut MOLLE here so you can add more accessories. The handles are full-length climbing webbing, and the back panel is mirrored of that. And then this side has rows of MOLLE for attaching some accessories or pouches, the same here. And then the thing I love is it's got this nice grab handle and double zipper, so the whole thing opens up nice and wide. So that's just a couple of ways that we love to use the Mule Bag. It's super versatile, and it's a great option for a lot of bulky gear that you need to have in your truck or on a trip. If you've got an awesome way that you're using your Mule Bag, be sure to tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or drop it in the Facebook group and let us know. We would love to feature some of those. It's a super versatile piece of gear, and we definitely want to share that. As always, you can find this and more great gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.